Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP with a Ledger Nano X. First, we'll cover the entire process, from setting up your device to securely storing your assets. You'll learn how to prepare your ledger, find reliable exchanges for purchasing XRP, and finally, transfer your newly acquired crypto to your hardware wallet for maximum security. Let's get started. To begin, power on your Ledger Nano X and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up as a new device, including setting a PIN and writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or phone. Connect your Ledger, navigate to the Manager section, and install the XRP application. Finally, add an XRP account in Ledger Live to generate your wallet address. Several reputable exchanges allow you to buy XRP. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. After selecting an exchange, you'll need to create an account and complete their identity verification process. Once verified, fund your account using a bank transfer, debit card, or other available payment methods. Then, you can proceed to purchase XRP directly on the exchange. Now, let's move your XRP to your Ledger Nano X. In Ledger Live, go to your XRP account and click Receive to find your unique XRP address. On your exchange, initiate a withdrawal of XRP. Carefully paste the address from Ledger Live into the Withdrawal Address field on the exchange. Always double-check that the address displayed on your Ledger device matches the one in Ledger Live before confirming the transaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.